Hi, I'm Elise and I'm one of the lecturers in the Adelaide Nursing School. I'm also really lucky to be alumni of the nursing school as well. I chose nursing because I was doing a science degree, and while I loved biology, I really wanted to have that connection with people as well, and doing a degree in nursing really allowed me to meld those two loves together. I've been really lucky to spend the last 10 years of my career working in the paediatric oncology ward at the Women's and Children's Hospital here in Adelaide, so looking after children with cancer. And it's been a demanding, rewarding and humbling role, and I loved every moment of it. Being a nurse is a chance to make a difference every day in someone's life. We're here to help people. At the end of the day, that's what we as nurses are here to do. The patient is always our priority. We're their main point of contact, and we are always an advocate for them and their family. We treat patients in all sorts of healthcare settings, and we touch their lives with empathy and compassion every day. Nursing really is a job for life. No 2 days are honestly the same, and you really can progress your career to work in lots of different specialty areas. Nursing really is your ticket to travel. Our degree is nationally and internationally recognised, and you can register anywhere in Australia or work anywhere in the world, subject to those countries' requirements. I was really lucky and able to complete my graduate year in Christchurch, New Zealand, and it really was the best 18 months. As a nurse, you'll be in high demand. 89% of all new nursing graduates nationwide found work in 2020. So there's strong industry growth predicted, and the outlook for your nursing career is really promising. As an RN, you'll be ready to pursue rewarding roles, whether that's in a rural community, an operating theatre, an emergency department, or any other healthcare environment. While you are here to get your nursing degree with us, nursing is so much more than a piece of paper. We are here to support you, to nurture that curiosity, to help you to aspire to be the best nurse that you can be, and to succeed and make an impact on everyday lives. We are Australia's #2 nursing school, and we are in the top 75 nursing schools worldwide. We're the best university in South Australia to study nursing. We rate the highest on overall experience, teaching quality and skill development, and we're South Australia's #1 nursing degree for full-time graduate employment. Our Bachelor of Nursing degree is a 3-year degree and truly does support you to become a confident and responsible registered nurse. You'll be able to take part in clinical placements, study in high-tech facilities, learn from passionate academics. All of this means that you'll be career ready when you graduate. We're really lucky here at the University of Adelaide, and we have some amazing health facilities. We've got a state-of-the-art Adelaide Health and Medical Sciences building, which is located in Adelaide's Biomed City, right next door to the Royal Adelaide Hospital. We have world-class simulation facilities. We've got these amazing mannequins that respond to all types of medical interventions, and we also utilise actors who perform the role of patients as well. Within clinical simulation, you'll be supported by lecturers like myself and also the Adelaide Health Simulation team. You'll be able to practice your nursing skills, learn from your mistakes, we all make them, in a really safe and supported environment. The simulation rooms are replicas of the Royal Adelaide Hospital, so you'll be well prepared for future placements or your future career. Clinical placements are an integral part of our degree, and they really are critical to your success. You'll get up to 1,000 hours of clinical placement across the 3 years of your degree, starting in the very first year. We have an amazing team of clinical lecturers that will also support you while you're out on clinical placement, and that really is our point of difference. Being on clinical placement is a real life opportunity to work with actual real people, and they expect a level of expertise and empathy from you, and it really is what separates nursing from many other professions. You get to take the knowledge that we teach you in class and implement and practice what you have learned within the clinical setting. You'll become a really important member of the healthcare team, whether that's in a hospital, a community, in a rural placement, or a GP practice, and many more. You get to work across a wide variety of areas, from theatre environments to cardiovascular wards, and there's the opportunity for rural placements as well across South Australia. We have the smallest cohort of students in the state, around 350 students next year. So you're not just a number, you'll recognise us and we'll recognise you. We offer the very best in teaching. We have highly skilled and passionate lecturers and tutors. You'll get to study alongside other health students, which really prepares you for working in a real healthcare environment. You can build strong communication, interpersonal and problem-solving skills. You might be wondering what subjects will be useful to study in Year 12. There are no prerequisites for our nursing degree, but it might be helpful to come in with some knowledge of biology. However, our first year courses will provide you with a good foundation in this area if you haven't done biology before. You might be wondering where you could work on clinical placement. We're really lucky to have relationships with a diverse range of clinical placement settings. That might be the Royal Adelaide Hospital, working alongside one of the registered nurses on the ward, caring for patients at the bedside. It might be out and about in the community with the Royal District Nursing Service. I did a placement as a student at Yatala Prison, and it was one of the highlights of my degree. I really enjoyed it, and it was a really interesting place to go and do a clinical placement. You'll also get the opportunity to work in a rural hospital where you'll be welcomed in as a part of the community, and you might even get to see a baby being born. Thank you so much for watching, and we really look forward to welcoming you here at the University of Adelaide.